Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how can you fix and solve Walmart order cancellation. Now, a Walmart order cancellation means that your Walmart order was not processed and will not be shipped, usually due to reasons like stock unavailability, payment issues, suspicious activity on your account, and outdated browser or problem with the seller if it's a marketplace item. In order to fix it, you could actually go ahead and check your order status online. So for that, you want to log into your account and then you want to tap on the tab bar icon and you want to go to account, or you could actually go ahead and click on order, and there you could find out whether the order has been processed or not. And if you see so, then you could actually go ahead and remove it from the order list, and then or you could actually try removing it and see whether the issue fixes or not. However, if that's not the case, then you could also try updating or changing your payment details. So for that, you want to go ahead and click on the account once again, and once you go to accounts, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon once again, and then you want to go to add a payment method. Now in your case, it might be change a payment method, so go ahead and make sure to change it to any of these payment method or any of these acceptable payment method, whichever is convenient for you. After doing it, so you should be able to fix it. So if not, it could be due to an outdated browser. You could try using a different browser, maybe Firefox, maybe Brave browser, or any other app browser. And similarly, if you're using an application, you could check for an update. So head over to your respective app store, and on the search box you want to type in Walmart. So here you'll be able to see update instead of open. Try updating it. So, and however, as mentioned, you could also check your order status online or contacting Walmart support or the seller itself, and they should be able to provide you with the information as well. It could also be due to the suspicious activity on your account, and that your account must be temporarily blocked or some of the activity might be restricted. So what you could do is you could go ahead and check for any of these information that you might have received it on the email, whether there was some information mentioned to you in the previous section or not. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So if despite of doing all of these procedures nothing works, then you can directly contact the support. So for that, you want to exit out of this page and click on the try bar icon, and you want to go to services. As you go to services, then you want to list out the information or provide in the details of issue that you're facing. So that can be help you out to fix and solve Walmart order cancellation. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.